Bit of a strange location today. We're here in the costume department of the Royal Exchange Theatre in Liverpool. They've got 25,000 different costumes in here, and you're probably wondering what that's got to do with power tools. So if you want to follow me, we'll go and show you what the connection is. Today we've been brought somewhere a little bit special. We've recently been doing some work with the Liverpool Royal Theatre, and they've recently purchased one of the trend CNC machines for making the props and the productions. Today they've invited us to their workshop where they make all the props for the productions that they put on in the theatre itself. We're going to take a look at some of the machines that you use, particularly the CNC machine, and how that's used in the building of the props and the designing of the props. The guys at the minute are currently getting towards the end of the build for their Eurovision production.
My name's John Tigg, I'm the CNC manager at Trend Tool Technology, and we supply the Yeti Tool Smart Bench in the UK and Ireland. And I'm here today at the Royal Court Theatre workshops to have a quick run through with them, show them how to use the machine, and also to start machining some parts and components. Here at the theatre they're going to use it for producing all of their shaped components. They've got a big revolving stage which they're going to produce a floor for. Anything that's got to be cut out can be done. So just like the staircases that you've seen around the workshop here, skinning stuff, so cutting the shapes to fit the skins. It'll be used for anything really that they can put sheet material onto the machine for. And then further on from that, they'll be able to cut some 3D shapes out on the machine as well.
So once the stage designers design what they want the stage to look like, they'll build a small scale model like this, so the guys have got something to look at in 3D, and then they'll use all the power tools that we normally associate with use on a building site, and they'll scale this model up and they'll build pieces like this. So yeah, it was a bit of a surprise to us as well. Who knew power tools would be used in the theatre? But when you come to think of it, it makes sense. All of these sets here are all built by hand. The guys use loads of different tools to actually put these sets together. They're putting on about 8 productions a year, and everything is hand built and made in this workshop. Currently, the guys at the theatre are getting ready for their Eurovision production. All these pieces you see around me are all part of the current set, and they'll be being installed in the theatre next week. ToolStore UK recently supplied a trend CNC machine, which is going to save these guys bags of time and help them to do a lot of work which is currently outsourced.